It's your boy Brayson. So my channel isn't AA15 Sports because that's kind of boring. So we're actually doing Blue Angels because on Saturday we're gonna go see some Blue Angels, like a show, right? Yeah, it's going to be very, very fun. We might go live. We might do a video, so you never know. It might be 2 hours. My friend is also going to be here, and his name is Mason, my best friend from school. And right now, we are going to look for a Blue Angel Jack. Let's go. All right. In here. Who? Okay, so birds. I know, right? Okay, we get a cart. Got a cart, and let's go. Alright guys, we're looking at the toys. These are all baby toys. So, girl toys. So, whoa! Whoa, Hunter, Navy base right here, bro. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Got some Legos over here. Cool. Not cooler than this Blue Angel that I'm looking for.
Should get a Harry Potter one, man.
Okay. This is the baby aisle. Still. Oh, sheesh. Okay, we got a lot of stuff over here now.
He's making a YouTube channel.
Dollars, bro. Look how many dollars is it? What? A Lamborghini. Nothing.
I know.
So, ooh, drone. Hello. Oh my god, that's a big. Look, this is the normal size, but look at this up here. It's massive. Big drones up here. Not the thing I'm looking for.
I remember wiggling.
This is probably an aisle I'm looking for. What the? My god. These are like cars that crash. Cars. 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 Rapple. Cars. What? Ooh, this is
Those are kind of like it, right?
Oh my god. Bro, what the heck? What the?
They're like Buzz Lightyear, but still
What the?
thing. Dude, you should get one of these for Boxy.
Hi, yeah, we already have one.
Oh, well, that one's cool.
They got shoes.
Put them on Draco.
You know what I'm thinking?
Is that what you're thinking? Put them on Draco?
No, like me and like I go like this. Bro, this is a transformer. How do you transform that thing?
Okay, did you want one of those airplanes? Or
Come on, yeah, I'm just still looking for. They have any more? Really didn't
Look, we
look.
got a Sonic helicopter.
What the? It's not a helicopter.
What is it?
It's a plane. It's a single engine. Okay. I think we're gonna get this. I really don't care. I'm just gonna find the right one. Ooh. Which one? This one. This cool looking jet. This cool looking jet. Or yeah. So I will.
Can't remember because there might be some stuff tomorrow that you might want too.
Remember you driving this
I don't
jet.
have anything there, but grab one.
Alright, this is the jet.
Got it? Okay, let's go.
Alright, let's go. It's a cool looking jet. Oh. Alright, that's down for the craziness. I don't know why I'm so wild.
Look at the Stitch one.
Oh, puppy. Yeah.
Look.
Oh.
It's Stitch.
Listen. Oh.
Do you need this for school?
Let me know. It's like square puppets.
Are we ready? Come on.
Yeah. Yeah. So.
I need
Oh.
to send that to my friends in Wyoming. They would love that.
Just sitting right in the back of a trunk.
Yes, that's what
Would you
they
imagine
do.
just sitting in the back of a trunk and just riding it while you being the nice
in Wyoming?
tub? Bro. I mean, in California, it is illegal.
I don't even know if you can sit in the back of a truck here.
Yeah. You remember that time, like when we saw at Fiesta Island, we saw these girls sitting on the tire of the thing
What?
of like a Jeep at Fiesta.
You must have been with your dad. I don't remember.
No, I know you were here. Or you just might have been talking to my grandma.
Oh, your grandma was there?
Mm-hmm. Alright, so see you when we get to the car. Alright, bro, see you in the car. I'm just kidding, guys. I will see you in a little bit, and I'll do another video when I open it. I'm just kidding. When we look at it. Okay? So, bye.